What is business intelligence? Business intelligence, BI, refers to the technologies, applications, practices, and processes for collecting, integrating, analyzing, and presenting business data to support decision-making, strategic planning, and operational management. In other words, business intelligence is the process of transforming raw data into actionable insights that help businesses make informed decisions. BI involves the use of various tools and technologies to extract, transform, and load data from various sources, including internal systems, third-party vendors, and public sources. Once data is collected and transformed, it can be analyzed using various techniques, including data mining, statistical analysis, and predictive modeling to identify patterns, trends, and opportunities. The insights gained through BI can be presented in various formats, including dashboards, reports, and visualizations to help business leaders understand the performance of their organization, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions. BI is an essential tool for organizations of all sizes and industries, as it helps businesses gain a competitive edge, improve operational efficiency, and drive growth.